Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing an unboxing of this Sears 4-piece flip impact socket set. So this is just something that I picked up on Sears.com with some extra points that I had from the last time I was in the store. So there really isn't much on the Sears website anymore. Most of it is all sold out, or just not sold in the Sears.com anymore, considering they're going downhill rapidly. So this is a 4-piece flip impact socket set. Unfortunately, it is made in China. Not something that I really love about these new Craftsman things. Not nearly as nice as the original, made in America, but I had points. It really didn't cost me anything out of my pocket. It was a couple bucks out of my pocket. If you guys want these, they might still be available on Sears.com. They're 35 bucks or something like that. Let's see what they look like inside. So all it is just a slip cover for the plastic housing for them, and you have the Craftsman embroidered case. Pretty nice blow molded case. Has the steel pin hinges. A little bit of flashing on the blow mold, but that's not really that big of a deal. And just cut it off with the razor. So that's not too bad. Get rid of that. The case is overall pretty nice. The hinge is pretty solid. If you have a socket set from the last couple of years from Sears, it's the same style hinge there. Looks like it has a metal pin that holds on this flap. So it's better than your old 90s and before hinges with just the plastic and the rigidity of the plastic until it breaks. Comes with this foam piece, pretty much worthless, might as well throw it out. And then you got your 3 sockets. This one is a 7/8 on the green, 21mm on the red. This is a 13/16 on the purple and 3/4 on the silver. And a 19mm and 17mm, 19 on the yellow, 17 on the blue. This gives you kind of the broad overview of what you need. I own big 1/4 ton or 3/4 ton and 1 ton pickups. So these aren't going to be good for that, but I have 1/2 ton trucks and cars, so this will work for that. It does not have a 15/16, so if you have a bigger truck, this isn't going to work for you. Again, the biggest size is that 7/8, but for everything else, your 1/2 ton trucks, your SUVs, it'll fit just fine, and then of course cars, it'll fit all your cars. It comes with an extension as well, so this is nice. This is what gives you that nicety of that flip socket. So you can't use this without the extension, because the drive is in the middle of these 2 sockets. So where this Craftsman laser etching is where the drive is for this. But the extension is not too bad. It's not terrible. I think the biggest complaint just right now, as I can see, is the laser etching. So the fact that this is laser etched, it's just going to come off with wear. I mean, as you continue to wear on it, it'll just continuously wear that laser etching off. Whereas if we look at something like these old Craftsmans, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're stamped. So that'll stay on forever, whereas these laser etching ones will eventually wear off with use. I don't know, let's see. If you have a regular 3-inch extension, it will it will fit in here perfectly fine. These ones are older Craftsman, so they have a little bit of ridge around the drive, which makes it a little bit harder to maneuver itself in there, but that'll work perfectly fine. So if you have other impact extensions, they'll work in this set. But for the whole purpose of it, I really don't see this having a problem. Again, it's something that they look like they're thin wall sockets. I mean, clearly they're thin wall sockets, but that plastic helps if you have the chrome rims. It definitely helps. The plastic definitely, I mean, right out the box, you have pieces like right here that are already bending over into the metal. It doesn't look like it's a problem with the metal itself, but it may very well be a problem with the molding of the plastic over it. So I'm not sure how long these will last with wear, with use. If you guys want, I can make a video using them and seeing how they work and how they hold up, because I'm kind of disappointed with this plastic, considering just its overall, I mean, this isn't too bad, but just the overall, I mean, the nicks, the stress marks on the plastic right out of the box, just, it isn't very, it doesn't give me confidence in buying the product. I mean, even here, there's a stress mark there, there's stress marks all along the purple, looks like there's a pin there, you know, coming out of it. So it's something that's definitely not the greatest, you know, right here where they're molding the plastic into it is coming out of there. But really, it's not like you expect the world from these new Craftsman products as it is. I think for what it's worth, when comparing it to sets that are equivalent to it for, you know, for now, like I'd say the gear wrench set, it's a two-piece, or it's pretty much like that. So it has two sockets and the extension. On that set, the Tecton set, that's the two sockets and the extension, are pretty, I would say pretty comparable to this. I'm assuming 9 times out of 10 they're made by the same people. It's the same factory in China stamping out the same thing, especially this laser etching stuff. If you guys ever look at that, the laser etching is a lot easier to say, okay, it's a Craftsman product. Oh, tomorrow it's a gear wrench product or a Tecton product. So, you know, beware with that. But I mean, for the price, especially if you have points or you can catch them on sale before Sears, you know, goes tits up, I think that it's definitely a good product to have. It seems like a pretty decent quality for what it is, and I hope that it will serve me well. And on top of this too, in case you guys are wondering, it does have the lifetime warranty, so same as other Craftsman products. As of right now, Stanley Black & Decker is honoring those. So if you bring this to Lowe's, let's say, or you call Stanley Black & Decker, they will warranty this as of right now. Now in the future, is that going to stay the same? I don't know. But as of right now, I mean, this has the new Craftsman Club stuff on it. It seems to be, you know, it'll be warranted, but it just depends on what the future will hold with the brand as a whole in seeing if they'll warranty it or not. So yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do a long term for this. I'm interested to see how they pan out, how this paste pans out, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.